Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft drone error on PS5 and PS4.
Fix 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Step 1. Open a browser and go to PlayStation Network status. Step 2. Make sure gaming and social services are online. Step 3. If down, wait and try again later. Fix 2. Restart Minecraft and console. Step 1. Close Minecraft completely. Step 2. Turn off your PS5 PS4, not rest mode. Step 3. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Fix 3. Sign out and sign into Microsoft account. Step 1. Open Minecraft. Step 2. Go to Settings Profile. Step 3. Sign out of your Microsoft account. Step 4. Restart the game and sign in again. Fix 4. Test internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings Network on your console. Step 2. Select Test internet connection. Step 3. Make sure NAT type is type 2.